So you have your tape, your paper, and your crayons. We actually get to draw vertical. That means we're drawing upright. So take your tape, tear off a piece, and your paper, and what you want to do is tape it on the wall. Ask your parents for help. Pregunta a tus padres y la familia para ayudar. If you don't have tape, you can always have somebody in your family or at home hold it up for you like this. Si tú necesitas tape, tú tienes una member de tu familia como este. So I have my paper all ready to draw. What you get to do now is spend some time drawing. Parents, we're practicing how to draw vertically, and that helps them with their pencil grip and writing. Padres, necesitamos ayudar a los estudiantes a aprender a escribir perfecto, or con perfecciones, sí. All right, now take out your crayons or pencils and begin drawing. Be very careful not to get it on the wall. No dibujar en este. You can draw whatever you want. You can draw lines, los líneas. You can draw pictures, las pinturas. You can even draw your family, la familia. It's up to you. La decisión es tuya. I'm drawing a flower. I drew a flower with some grass and some clouds. I wonder what you're drawing. ¿Qué estás dibujando? Maybe it's even raining in my flower, on my flower. And maybe the sun is poking out. I'm using a lot of lines, los líneas. That's my picture. What did you draw? Can't wait to find out. You did a great job on your first day.